Certicop, team coordinator and narrator for Rob Holland Ultimate Air Shows. You're about to witness 12 non-stop minutes of the most intense and innovative aerobatics in the world today. From Nashua, New Hampshire, your four-time national aerobatic champion, Mr. Rob Holland. Rob has been flying for 24 years and has accumulated over 11,000 hours flight time in more than 170 different types of aircraft. Rob's aircraft of choice is the one you see flying here today, the Window World MXS. Rob will be flying this beautiful airplane in front of millions of people at 25 locations across the United States and Europe. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our 2015 Celebrating Freedom Tour. Renowned for his career. Rob was the 2012 recipient of the Airshow Award for Showmanship, one of the highest honors in the air show industry. Rob has been known for groundbreaking maneuvers never before seen, like this one right here. We call this the Frisbee. The beautiful Window World MXS is a custom-built, all-carbon fiber, American-made masterpiece, weighing less than 1,200 pounds and producing 370 horsepower from its 540 cubic inch Skydynamics engine. The Window World MXS is arguably the highest performance aerobatic airplane in the world. With a roll rate of almost 500 miles per second and rated to a bone-crushing positive and negative 16 Gs, the Window World MXS is the only aircraft capable of meeting the extreme demands Rob required to perform his trademark maneuvers. Let's watch as Rob sets up for another of his groundbreaking maneuvers. It all starts with a half roll to the right, a double roll to the left, and then a double shoulder roll back to the right. Let's take a ride on the Cardiac Express. You know, I know some people say that less is more, but for Rob, more is more. That's why he does not one, but two hammerhead turns. There's one, and there's two. That's double hammerhead. Another crowd favorite, we call this the slide winder. Little shoulder roll right in the middle. Just look at Rob hanging off of that whirlwind propeller. Rob is incredibly proud to be sponsored by Window World. With more than 200 locations nationwide, Window World is America's largest replacement window and exterior remodeling company. Celebrating 20 years in the business, Window World Windows have earned a good housekeeping seal. Watch for the Cobra. What do you think of Rob so far, ladies and gentlemen? Rob's now going to cool down that awesome Skydynamics engine, tighten up his harnesses, and set up for the second half of his routine. Taking a look at your time. Ask each and every one of you to help do me a favor.
When you see a military man or woman in uniform or a veteran, and there's plenty of them here today, please walk up to them, look them in the eyes, shake their hand, say thank you. You know, their service, sacrifice, bravery, and dedication gives each and every one of us the freedoms we cherish so much. And from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to dedicate this heart to each and every one of them.
Ladies and gentlemen, the giant heart in the sky dedicated to all who served our great country.
And I'll leave it down in about 20 seconds. Thank you, Steve.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, direct your attention high and to the right and look for smoke. Diving in high and from the right, reaching speeds in excess of 300 miles per hour. Look at the incredible roll rate on that Window World MXS. Pulling 8 Gs down at the bottom. Goes back into the vertical, continues with a series of rolls set up for his inside, outside, knife edge spin. Rob kicks it over, and that's the inside knife edge spin. A quick flip over into the outside knife edge spin. Ladies and gentlemen, you do not want to miss this next maneuver. Keep your eyes on Rob for another one of his original and his favorite maneuver, the inside tumble. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? Rob has won championships on the national and international level. He's a 4-time defending national level champion, a 5-time U.S. freestyle champion, 2008 World Advanced Aerobatic champion, and the 2-time defending World Freestyle champion. As you watch Rob do some competition maneuvers, you can see they're all about rigorous precision and flawless presentation. Rob works very hard to show his competition flying skills, as is reflected in his very crisp and precise flying style. As you continue to watch Rob fly, Champion Aerospace, Reactor Watchers, MGL Avionics, Dream Scheme Designs, Sky Dynamics, Whirlwind Propellers, Bully Aero, Tubro Aviation, MX Aircraft, and of course our name sponsor Window World. If you took some great pictures for this show, why not follow us on Facebook at /Ultimate Air Shows, or we're also on Twitter and Instagram at Rob Holland 5150. And if you need to get some Rob Holland swag, stop by our web store at rhjustflyit.com. Also want to tell you that Rob Holland and Window World are very proud to support the Veterans Airlift Command.
Hey, that makes
satisfied. He's always finding ways to do new things. This is his newest maneuver. You saw it earlier, we called it a frisbee. Well, he found a way to do it upside down. This is the inverted frisbee. Always having the utmost respect for the U.S. military, Rob likes to pay tribute to the mighty F-22 by naming this next figure the Raptor. Look at that. 0 airspeed. Just hanging off that whirlwind propeller like a helicopter, using all 370 horsepower from that Sky Dynamics engine. Cares is the official charitable foundation of Window World, and we'd like your help in the fight against childhood cancer and other life-threatening diseases. All you have to do is text the word CARES to 91999, and together we can support the life-saving work of St. Jude. Again, ladies and gentlemen, as you look at the top side, and now the bottom side. Text the word CARES to 91999. Left side of the airback box down. It's going to set up for this landing. You know, normally a pilot looks for a very stable approach to landing. But I think we can agree Rob is not a normal pilot. So this is how he flies his final approach. Starts off with a flat spin. Now and then by throwing a little hover. Now as he pitches it over and slides back down the runway, watch Rob carefully because, you know, even the best pilots in the world can occasionally bounce a landing. Or how about just do a roll on landing? Ladies and gentlemen, thanks so much for watching us. That's Rob. I'm Steve. We are Rob Holland Ultimate Air Shows. Please check us out online and enjoy the rest of this amazing air show.
Thank you so much, Steve Sertikov. Let's hear it for Steve also. Great job. Incredible world-class pilot, Mr. Rob Holland. At 1 o'clock, folks, if you head on down to the Window World display, you're looking toward the runway, that's down to your left. And Rob Holland will be down there to sign autographs. You can meet him. What a great guy, what a personable young man he is.